Karma is not a fatalistic theory. We have this huge confusion in our mind, life being all karma, or there is a free will also in it. I tell you, life is a combination of both free will and destiny. Karma literally means action. Action in its impression in the mind, which is latent, will give rise to similar situations. So, karma has three dimensions. One is the impression of actions which you have in your mind, in your consciousness, and then the action that you are doing in the present, and the possible activity, possible action that may befall you or which you would attract because you have similar impressions within you. This is also called karma. We have this huge confusion in our mind about life being all karma, or there is a free will also in it. I tell you, life is a combination of both free will and destiny. It's karma and karma swatantra. Both are there with you. Like your height is determined, is destiny, but your weight is your free will. Like that, though you have not inherited a huge wealth of the past, but nothing can stop you for dreaming about it and creating it in the future. You have certain X amount of money with you to start a business. Suppose you don't think about multiplying your capital and you just sit with it, what will happen? Whatever you have earned, that capital will drain over a period of time. Like that, your karma is your capital, but your present action, the karma that you do now, can make it grow. And if there is a debt, the present karma can nullify it. So if it's a negative karma, it can be nullified. If it's a positive karma, you don't want to get rid of your positive karma, do you? Nobody wants to get rid of the impact of positive karma, your merits. And that will grow. You can make it grow. Unfathomable are the ocean of karma, because this entire creation is filled with action. There is action everywhere, and so when there is action everywhere, there is reactions everywhere. And so, just don't go and scratch your head on this. See the past as destiny, the future as your free will, and live happily in the present moment. Your karmas can never be finished. Karmas continue. It's like you're asking, when will the ocean have no waves? The ocean will have waves, but you can rise above the waves. That is by being a witness to it. Not being reactive, but to be a witness to your own actions, your own tendencies. Your future is in your hands, of course. You can mold it, you can change it, you can turn it. See, karma is not a fatalistic theory. Karma tells you about what you have and what are your possibilities. It keeps open the possibilities in front of you. That's what it is. The day we say, I want nothing, I'm happy, now and here, that shift has already happened. Your liberation, freedom has already come to you. Your desires are our bondage, and contentment is our liberation.